Imagine a world where every maintenance hiccup is a learning opportunity. Incident management isn't just about fixing problems, it's about transforming them into stepping stones for improvement. A structured approach to incident management can revolutionize maintenance operations. It turns chaos into clarity, ensuring every incident is a chance to enhance efficiency and safety. Every maintenance team needs a robust incident management system. It's the backbone of proactive maintenance, reducing downtime and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Documenting every incident, big or small, is crucial. It creates a treasure trove of data that drives informed decisions and uncovers hidden issues. Consistent logging aids in root cause analysis and compliance. It ensures that no detail is overlooked, paving the way for effective preventive strategies. Incident management significantly reduces mean time to repair, MTTR. Quick responses prevent minor issues from escalating into major breakdowns. A proactive maintenance culture emerges where safety is prioritized. Incident management directly links to workplace safety, ensuring a secure environment for all. CMMS digitizes and streamlines incident management, offering real-time logging and automated alerts. It's a game changer for maintenance teams. Integrated tracking and actionable insights from CMMS provide a comprehensive view of incidents. This empowers teams to continuously improve and optimize operations. ManWinWin records incidents in detail, offering a rich dataset for analysis. This leads to effective preventive strategies and corrective actions. Trend analysis with ManWinWin supports operational safety improvements. It turns every incident into a learning opportunity, enhancing asset reliability. Incident management is key to long-term asset reliability. ManWinWin transforms incidents into learning opportunities, optimizing asset management. Explore strategies for improving safety and reliability. With ManWinWin, every incident becomes a stepping stone towards a safer, more efficient future. Ready to get started with ManWinWin CMMS? Discover the benefits of a personalized demo tailored to your maintenance needs. By embracing ManWinWin, you'll enhance your maintenance operations, reduce downtime, and improve safety. It's time to take the next step. Join us in revolutionizing maintenance management. Schedule your demo today and see how ManWinWin can transform your maintenance strategy.